Hey there, welcome back to our Canadian Foursquare. Today I'm going to show you the porch makeover that we did this summer. So come on, let's go. Hi, welcome back. I'm so glad you were able to join us again. So let's go through have a look quickly at our front porch. It is a wraparound porch on a Foursquare, which is pretty fortunate for us. We love it very, very much, and we wanted to make it almost like an outdoor living space. So that's sort of the vision for this particular makeover. So in this video, we're going to take you through all the steps that we took for the makeover, and hope you enjoy, and we'll link some of the products in the description in case you are at all interested in things that we purchased for this project. So let's get started. The pressure washing of the roof was super satisfying, but let me tell you, after painting white on the pillars, which you just saw, getting to pull out the Palladian Blue to be able to start adding some color to the ceiling, which we had never done before, we were really excited to do that. So we went with Haint Blue, specifically, as I mentioned, Palladian Blue. It's a Benjamin Moore color. And we love it because it doesn't matter what angle you look at it, it's like a different blue every time. It's not overpowering, it's very muted. Love it, very much love it. And anyone that's wanting to paint their porch ceiling Haint Blue, I strongly recommend you just do it. Give it a try because you'll love it. Next, we took the old light fixtures down. We weren't huge fans of them, honestly, so we weren't feeling like we wanted to clean them up. One of them was fully broken and we removed years ago and just never put anything back up. And the other one, we wanted them matching, so it was good. We went to Wayfair and picked up something very similar in shape, craftsman style, or as close to it as possible. But we didn't want to drop a whole lot of money on it, so this is what we got. It's a pendant this time, which we thought would make it seem a little more like an outdoor living space. And yeah, we put them up ourselves, super easy to do. then the final touches that we did with our makeover was we put 2 8x10 outdoor blinds on the porch, and they are a game changer for us. As you can see in this footage, we get an amazing sunset every single evening, but it is super hot. And when we like to eat outside for dinner, these blinds are seriously the best decision we've made. They come down and they actually clip onto the pillars at the bottom so that they don't wave in the wind, which is great. We haven't, in this video, they haven't been installed yet, but they got installed and it holds them down, and it's great. It's just amazing. So there you go. That is our final makeover of our front porch. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time on our Canadian Foursquare. Bye.